Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I hope you are doing well. This is mathematics. In this video, we want to look at the question you're seeing on the board. The question is from 2023 Grade 9 Examination Paper 2. This was question number 1B. Divide 1101 base 2 by 101 base 2, giving your answer in base 2. The question is from a topic called number bases. In this question, you've been asked to divide numbers in base 2. The concepts that I'm going to share with you here may be applied to other bases. So please pay attention so that you understand everything that will be discussed in this presentation. Divide. So, when you have been given a question and they've asked you to divide, different methods can be applied or can be used. Okay? For example, if you want to divide these two numbers in base 2, you can change them to base 10. After changing to base 10, divide those numbers in base 10, you get your answer, then convert that answer back to base 2. You'll still be able to find the correct answer. The other method that you can use is long division. And in this presentation, we are going to use long division. Long division, you are going to write the symbol, okay? Long division. So you're going to do this. 101 here, 101, then 110111 inside. This is long division, okay? Now always remember that when you are dealing with base 2, whenever you are dealing with base 2, we only have two digits that we consider. So we are saying base 2 has got only 0 and what? 1. Only those. So whatever we are doing here, all the calculations in base 2 should only have 0 and what? 1. There should not be any 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in base 2. Are we together on that? In base 2, only 0 and 1. Having said that, since we only have 0 and 1, you should also take note that as you are dividing, if a number can go, then it should only be once, 1 only. No matter how many times or how big the number may look, as long as the divisor can go, it is 1. If it cannot go, if it can't go, then it is what? 0. I hope that statement is clear. If it can go, 1. If it cannot go, 0. Let's now begin. 101 into 1. Can 101 go into 1? No. It means 0. You see that? We add, this becomes 1, 1, 11. Can 101 go into 11? No. Are you seeing that? It means 0. We add 3, 1, 2, 3 here. Can 101 go into 110? Yes. It means 1. So you are going to write 1 here. Okay? You are going to write 1 direct under 0 here. 1. Here it was 0, 0. So there's no point of me writing 0, 0s there. Okay? So it will be 1. Then 1 times 101. You are going to write 101. When you multiply 1 times 101, it will be 101. So you write under 110, like this. Then subtract. Okay? You are going to subtract. When you are subtracting again, remember that you are subtracting numbers in base 2. So we are going to say 0 minus 1. What will be the correct answer? We say it can't. So we are going to borrow. That is what we say. Agreed? So 0 minus 1 we cannot take. So we are going to borrow. You cancel this. Now remember, what you are borrowing here is what? Is a 2. It's not a 1 or a 10. No, we are dealing with base 2. So when you cancel here, you are going to remain with a 0 here. Then what you have borrowed is a 2. So that 2, add it to this 0. 2 plus 0, it will give you a 2. I see? So now we are going to say 2 minus 1. What will be the answer? 1. What have we remained with here? 0. 0 minus 0, it will be a 0. 1 minus 1, it will be a 0. So when we subtract 110 minus 101, the answer is 1. Is that clear? What next? 101 cannot go into this. You are going to drop this 1 here. You drop it so that it becomes what? 11. Okay? Or 1, 1. That is the correct way of saying 1, 1, not 11. Because there is no 11 in base 2. So, 101 into 1, 1. Can this 101 go into 1, 1? No. It means 0. So you are going to write 0 here. Because it cannot go. So you write 0 there. Then you are going to say 0 times 101. It will be 0. So you're going to write 0 here. Then subtract. Like this. 1, 1 minus 0, it will be 1, 1. Like this. Okay? What next? You are going to drop this 1 here. You drop it like this. Okay? So that now it becomes 1, 1, 1. Can 101 go into 1, 1, 1? Yes. If it can go, it means 1. So you write 1 there. 1 times 101, it will be 101. Then subtract. Like this. 1 take away 1, it is 0. 1 take away 0, it will be 1. This 1, 1, it will be 0. Okay? What next? You are going to drop this 1 here. Down. Okay? You drop it like this. It becomes 101. 101 into 101, it will be 1. It can go there. 1. You write 1 here. 1 times 101, 101. 101. Like this. Subtract. 101 take out 101, 0. That's the end. Therefore, you say, therefore, 1101 11 divided by 101 will be equal to, the answer is this one here. 1011 base 2. This is base 2. This is base 2. That is the correct answer. And that is the way you should be able to divide. So in this case, the remainder is 0. But it is not always that you'll be finding remainder 0 here. Okay? If there was 1 here, we could have said the remainder is 1, 0. But in this case, the remainder is what? 0. If there was a remainder here, you could have indicated here to say this into that, then remainder or whatever number will be here, you indicate, you include it there. I hope this is clear. Bye-bye.